Hi, I'm Rachel Vitullo and welcome to How To Hair. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create the textured wet look. If you want to see how I prep the hair for this look, head on over to my Ripple Wave using a flat iron on medium hair.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Our hero product for this look is our Medium Hold Styling Cream from 11 Australia. I'm going to take a small amount in my hands, work it really well in my hands to warm up, and we're going to run the product through the hair. So just massaging that product in. We want to really coat the hair with this product so we get that nice wet look. Using the tips of my fingers, I'm going to rake the hair back into position. I'm scooping the hair from the front of the ear and tucking it behind so it's secure. Using the tips of my fingers, I'm going to lift that front area up so we create a beautiful amount of height. We want to have that really nice swept back look on this side. So lifting that top section up, but what we want to do is tuck this side of the hair behind the ear to create structure. To add extra shine to the hair to give the illusion like it's wet, I'm going to finish this style with the Make Me Shine Shine Spray. And that is how you create the textured wet look. We done!